As you know, there's work to be done before you even get to the crimper. When creating a hose assembly, the first step is to cut the hose to proper length. Carefully measure the hose that is being replaced. You can make your mark at the spot where the hose has been inserted into each fitting. You can use a tape measure to measure for your cut length very accurately. An abrasive blade or cutoff wheel can be used to cut the hose. However, it's best to use a steel blade designed specifically for this purpose. A steel blade will minimize the amount of debris created, not to mention the smell of burning rubber. Immediately after cutting the hose, you'll want to clean it. Pound the hose end on a workbench, or better yet, use a blowgun to shoot compressed air through it. There are always small particles of rubber and steel present, and these can contaminate the hydraulic fluid. Our next step is to attach the fittings. Regardless of the style or size of the fitting selected, it is important to ensure that each fitting is fully inserted onto the hose end until it bottoms out. It's a good idea to hold the fitting against the hose end and draw a line on the hose to mark the insertion depth. Lubricate the nipple of the fitting to help it slide fully into place. Now we're ready to crimp our hose ends.